Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to create bold text effects in Canva. So let's start. So let's open Canva. Choose the size from here. Change the background color to black. And we should write our text line by line. Like this one, and change the font to Lava Pro Grunge for all, and change the size to make it square. Like this one. Download the page as a PNG. Now we should change the font to make difference. And go to Edit, Effects, and Hollow. Thickness change to 20. Like this one. Effects, Hollow, thickness to 20. This one as well. Hollow, thickness to 20. Then we should go and upload the previous picture. Put it in here, make it bigger, like this one. And go to Elements. We need a triangle. You can search for it and make it bigger. Doesn't fit well, rotate it a little bit, like this one. Like this one. And we need a line as well. Make the sharpness bigger. 10 is enough. And connect the end dots. You can change the color to black. Like this one. This is the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.